Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process for creating sales entries with inventory using the B2B section. Step 1. Select the Sales Entries module from your dashboard to get started. Step 2. Choose the With Inventory option under the B2B section. This ensures that your uploaded sales data will include inventory details for accurate stock management. Step 3. Click on the Upload File button. Browse your computer and select the sales data file you want to upload. Step 4. Once your file is uploaded, click the Create button. If there's any product in your file that doesn't exist in Tally yet, it will be created automatically. Step 5. Your new product will now be added to Tally, complete with the uploaded data for that sales entry. This ensures that all products in your sales file are fully synced with your Tally records. Step 6. Next, select your sales ledger from the drop-down list. This tells the system which sales ledger to use for this entry. Step 7. Your sales voucher entry will now appear on your screen. Review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Step 8. Click on the Party Ledger button to view the ledger of the party involved in this sales transaction. Verify the details if needed. Step 9. When you're ready, click on Send to Tally. Your sales voucher entry with inventory will be automatically generated in your Tally software. Step 10. Finally, check your Tally to confirm that the entries have been correctly imported and saved. And that's it. With Intelligere's Sales Entries module, you can seamlessly upload sales data with inventory, create missing products in Tally, and generate accurate sales vouchers in just a few clicks. No manual entry, no inventory mismatches, just fast, error-free integration with your Tally system. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.